weekends are for me to finish some projects, in this case, the Sugar Plum Lace Corsage. I'm so in love with this piece. I love the way it traces my curve and enhances my chest. I was inspired by Dakota Johnson's lace corset and made my own using the Sugar Plum pattern. I uploaded a sewing video of this piece a few days ago, but I still needed to finish it. The last step I had to do was to bar tack the underwire channeling. For this corsage I used a French lace that looks black but is actually dark green. To keep the corsage sheer, I use power net, a really stretchy material used in corsetry. I really love working with new materials and trying things out. I also made some foam caps. I wanted to have the foam in a similar skin color, but even lighter worked perfectly okay. This foam is about 3 mm wide. If you want to have a push-up effect, you can use a thicker one. This time, I didn't sew the flounce to the bodies because I wanted to wear the corsage under the jeans. I also finished the hem with the closed Hong Kong seam. To get a better support and a nicer bust shape, I added a bra underwire. For this sample, I decided to work with a metal zipper. The only metal zipper I had was this one, which I cannot detach, but it's not a big problem because the power net is so stretchy that I can wear it somehow. I also use metal boning. The boning is really flexible, perfect if you don't want to feel cramped. I also decided to leave the foam cap visible from the inside. And this is the final result. The Sugar Plum pattern is available on my website. Have fun sewing and see you soon!